Robert here from Kroski Mattress in the heart of San Francisco. We're going to be replacing a tape tie that's come out on our mattress. This is our older threaded loop style tape tie. Our tools, tufting needle, scissors, and thread. Okay, so we'll be working from the bottom up. We've got 2 holes in the top and 2 holes in the bottom. The goal is to use those exact same holes when replacing this tuft. We'll start by threading the needle a few inches through. Pull the mattress off so you've got access to both ends. I'm going to start with the hole further away from me. Nice and easy. And one more time. Sometimes you'll notice an inner spring unit. Try and avoid that with the needle. There it is. Okay, we've got the thread in. Now we need to tie a slip knot. Just like that. Slip knot allows you to adjust the height of this tuft so it will match all the tufts next to it. This looks pretty good. I'm gonna loosen it up a tad. And then tie it off. Just 3 more knots. Nice and gentle for the first one, up to the previous slip knot. And then the next 2, we could put a little more effort into tightening it up. There it is. Thank you.